So I hope that was a bit of an introduction that gave you some ideas. There's obviously a lot more we can go into. There's a lot more usages that we can talk about. I'm a one-man army. I've started taking seriously my Twitter, Instagram, and my LinkedIn, and I'm going to buy Hootsuite for a year and give it a real go for a year. I'm not a big fan of social media. I do YouTube, and I like people to connect on my website. I'm not a big fan of big popular spaces and places, but I don't mind it if I can come in and dip my foot in the water of things that I want to look at, of things that I need to research, and if I'm my own stuff that I'm interested in, looking for customers, finding prospective customers, but without having to spend hours on social media. Make this work for you, so it speeds you and your team up, and gives you your time back. Schedule those posts and do things like that. So you can sign up. I think it's a 14-day free trial on the 10 network version. The 3 profiles, if you just want to do your Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram or LinkedIn, free version will work for you. But this is going to cost you £25 a month if you pay annually. I think it's £40 a month if you pay monthly. Professional plan, upgrade my plan. I think it's 25. Current plan. Yeah, I've seen it somewhere. Lots and lots of other things it can do when you connect to other programs within your network. If you've got different programs you want to connect to it, you can do that too. But hopefully I've given you some sort of a starting block with Hootsuite that gets you thinking that maybe it would be a good idea to save you some time. If you've come this far, it would be awesome if you subscribed. If you've got any questions, drop them below. I'll put this in a free training course as well, and I'll add a training certificate for if you've watched this and you're going for a job interview or something, you want a little certificate to say that you know how Hootsuite works. I'll add that to a training course as well. So check the links below. Have a great week. Don't be afraid to comment or contact me. I'll help you as best as I can. Cheers, guys.